So, as a lot of you know, we lost our kayaks in November when there was that terrible flood in Positano. All three of them got swept away and they're probably still sitting at the bottom of the sea, apart from one which is probably now in Africa or somewhere. Anyhow, we ordered new ones in January, and then the weather has been so terrible up until last week that we haven't been able to even unwrap them. Finally, a few days ago, we took them down to the beach and went out on our maiden voyage. Was planning on recording with the GoPro, but I was so excited that I switched it on, started recording, and then promptly completely forgot that I was recording and forgot to speak or anything. So there's bits of footage, but then something else went wrong with the GoPro and it started doing a time lapse. So I ended up with like 5,648 photos, which then I threw most of them away because they were rubbish. And then of course the time lapse didn't work. So I've patched together a video of Instagram stories of unwrapping the canoe. The first GoPro footage that I forgot I was filming, and then 2 days later when I went out, which was actually this morning, I went out by myself and had a little paddle around. So hope you enjoy. It is time to crack out the new kayaks. Let's go get them. Got them onto the beach. Now we have to get changed somewhere. Not sure if you can see me. Carlo's fallen in twice so far, and I missed it each time. Where is it? Where is it? He's behind me. Carlos is about to get in his. Me and Holly are nicely settled in, and we've got a friend to come and greet us, haven't we? Are you happy? Yeah, we're in a boat again. Yes, isn't it fun? I'm happy to say I love my new kayak, and Holly has settled in very well. Carlos not so sure about his, he's just headed back, but I'm going off for a little paddle. Non ti trovi? GoPro, stop recording. So I've just got down to the beach. I'm going to go out in the kayak, and this is what's happened. I've come down and I found my brand new kayak lying on the floor, and it was full of sand. I've already got most of the sand out of the seat, but this is why we really need to get a kayak rack on this beach, because kids come and play, and now I've got to clean it all up. Be out here about an hour and a half earlier than I actually am, but that didn't happen. So the sun's up much higher than I hoped for, but that's okay because there's hardly any boats around, and that's what counts. Boats make the water more choppy. A little bit less stable than the old one. off this morning. Back to the main beach.